Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how you can put music note emoji in your Facebook. Some people are worried about how to put music note emoji in Facebook. So here are some options. By following these options, you can able to put emoji notes on your Facebook post. Open your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account. After logging in, you have to create a post by clicking on what's on your mind. Here, people are worried how to put music notes. Simply click on this emoji. Here, I can use recently music note, so it appeared in recently used. And if you want to find this, simply click on this bulb tab. By clicking on bulb tab, here are some emojis. Now you have to look for music note emoji. Down this tab, yeah, here you can see that there are two music note emojis. You can put anyone which you want. And here you can see that in your post, music note emoji will appear. Hope you guys find this solution how to put music note emoji on your Facebook post. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.